Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best USA dog chews is probably one of the most important decisions you will make for your canine companion, impacting their dental health, mental stimulation, and overall well-being. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of American-made dog chews, exploring various types, benefits, and factors to consider when selecting the perfect chew for your furry friend, ensuring both quality and safety. Number 5. Mighty Paw Yak Cheese Dog Chews. These all-natural chews are the perfect treat for your furry friend. Made with only 3 simple ingredients, they're healthy and delicious. It's made with yak and cow milk, salt, and lime juice. They're fully digestible, lactose-free, and completely free of chemicals and preservatives. These chews are naturally packed with protein and calcium, supporting strong muscles and bones. It's a nutritious and tasty snack. Its hard texture makes it a long-lasting chew, perfect for puppies or power chewers. It keeps your dog entertained for hours. Always supervise your dog while they enjoy it. For extra safety, you can microwave end pieces into cheese puffs. What we like? It's made with only 3 simple ingredients, making it easily digestible and perfect for dogs with sensitivities. This chew is incredibly long-lasting, providing hours of chewing enjoyment for even the most persistent chewers. If your dog needs a healthy, durable chew that's packed with protein, this is the one for you. What people say. They last for days. My 2 dogs hides it, finds it, steal it, play with it, and one chomps it down quickly when she decides enough is enough. My other pup carries it, plays with it, and constantly sits and chews on it. No belly issues. Each one lasts her a couple of days. They clean her teeth, and she doesn't have any bad breath. They are lasting about 3 days each, that is about 2 to 3 hardcore chew sessions per day. Once shaved the sharp edges down, she goes to town on it. Number 4. Purina DentaLife Daily Chews. Give your dog the gift of fresh breath and healthy teeth with our delicious daily chews. It's the tasty way to maintain optimal oral hygiene for your canine companion. These chews are scientifically proven to reduce tartar buildup by an average of 57%. That means less plaque and healthier gums for your furry friend. The innovative design, with 8 ridges and a porous texture, helps clean even hard-to-reach areas. It's a thorough clean down to the gum line. We use only high-quality ingredients. They're made without artificial flavors or colors, ensuring a healthy and delicious treat. These chews are proudly produced in the USA. You can trust in the quality and safety of this product. This product is accepted by the Veterinary Oral Health Council, VOHC, so you know it meets the highest standards for dental care. It's a vet-approved way to keep your dog's mouth healthy. These chews are ideal for small to medium-sized adult dogs, weighing between 20 and 40 pounds. They're the perfect size for comfortable chewing. We're confident you and your dog will love these chews. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. See the packaging for details. What we like? Scientifically proven to reduce tartar buildup, it's a great way to support your dog's oral health. This product is Veterinary Oral Health Council accepted, giving you confidence in its effectiveness. If you're looking for a daily dental chew for your small to medium-sized dog, this is an excellent choice. What people say. They are a little bit larger than I thought, but I was able to cut them in half for my 2 small dogs. I didn't notice any smell, and my dogs gnaw on them and break them down without a problem. It's important that they are recommended by the Veterinary Oral Health Council, so that means that they are of good ingredients and quality. These are the first dental chews that actually do what they say they'll do. They actually are reducing the tartar on my dog's teeth. My dog's teeth are clean, white, and tartar-free. Healthy gums also. She likes all varieties: beef, bacon, chicken, and mint. The mint helps keep her breath fresh. Number 3. Canine Naturals Chicken Chews. These chews are 100% rawhide and collagen-free, providing a healthy and safe treat for your canine companion. It's the real thing, no byproducts or imitations. Made with highly digestible ingredients, these chews are gentle on your dog's stomach. Independent lab tests show they digest 400% faster than rawhide chews. The number 1 ingredient is delicious chicken, raised and sourced right here in the USA. Your dog will love the taste. These chews are all natural, gluten-free, and free from artificial flavors, colors, and fillers. They're made with care and integrity, using only wholesome ingredients. These long-lasting chews help clean your dog's teeth while satisfying their natural chewing instincts. It's a tasty treat with added benefits. The 5-inch chew sticks are perfect for dogs up to 20 pounds, and make a great daily reward for larger dogs. Always supervise your pet while chewing. What we like. Made from 100% USA raised chicken, it's a delicious and healthy alternative to rawhide. It's also highly digestible, making it a great option for dogs with sensitive stomachs. If you want a tasty, easily digestible chew made with high-quality ingredients, this is it. What people say. The chicken flavor for the poodle is great. I have a 3 pounds 8 ounce poodle, who is picky as picky can be when it comes to eating. She absolutely adores these, but we have timed her eating one of these and it is under 5 minutes. I have a larger dog, but as she gets older she's not as interested in harder, bigger bones. These were a little small for my shepherd, but so easy for her to chew and kept her busy for a while. These were quite affordable and I'll purchase larger, longer, bones from this brand in the future. Number 2. Pet Factory Beefhide Rolls. These beefhide rolls are made from 100% natural rawhide sourced from American cattle. They're crafted and processed in the USA, ensuring maximum quality and safety without any dangerous additives. It's tough and long-lasting, perfect for satisfying your dog's natural urge to chew. This provides a safe alternative for dogs who chew excessively. Chewing helps improve your dog's teeth and gums by scraping away plaque and preventing tartar buildup. It's a tasty way to support their oral hygiene. These 8-inch rolls are ideal for medium-sized dogs. Always make sure to select a chew longer than your dog's muzzle to prevent choking hazards. It is meant for intermittent use only. Always supervise your furry friend while they enjoy their treat and discard any small pieces. These chews are made in a Global Food Safety Initiative certified facility. This ensures they are produced under the highest safety and quality standards. Pet Factory is a leading manufacturer of USA-sourced beefhide chews. We offer a variety of shapes and sizes to suit every dog's needs and preferences. What we like. These chews are made from thick, 100% natural rawhide sourced and processed in the USA. They're designed to be long-lasting, satisfying your dog's chewing instincts. If you're looking for a durable, dental health-supporting chew made with American rawhide, this is a great option. What people say. For all but one dog, their poops stay great. They also last a good while because I have heavy chewers and they don't gobble these up in an hour. All of them have lasted at least a whole day and most of them many more depending on which dog is chewing. These are awesome. They last a day with a 9-month-old puppy. What's great is they are digestible. These seem thicker and more durable than some of the others. For that reason they seem to last a little longer for our pitty. I cut them in half so he doesn't eat the entire stick in one sitting. Good product. Number 1. Pet Factory Beefhide Sticks. These delicious chews are made from 100% natural, American-raised beefhide. They're crafted and processed right here in the USA, ensuring the highest quality and safety for your furry friend. These thick, long-lasting chews are perfect for dogs who love to gnaw. It provides a safe and healthy alternative to destructive chewing habits. Chewing helps scrape away plaque and tartar, leading to healthier teeth and gums. It's a tasty way to support your dog's oral hygiene. With a mix of beef and chicken flavors, there's something for every pup to enjoy. Your dog will love the delicious taste. These 7-inch braid sticks are ideal for medium-sized dogs. Always supervise your pet and discard any small pieces. The flavored coatings are water-soluble, but may stain. These chews are made in a Global Food Safety Initiative certified facility. You can rest assured knowing they are made with the highest safety and quality standards. Pet Factory is a leading manufacturer of USA-sourced beefhide chews. We offer a variety of shapes and sizes to suit every dog's needs and preferences. What we like. These braided chews are made from 100% natural rawhide, sourced and processed in the USA. The braided design makes them extra durable and they come in a delicious beef and chicken flavor. If you want a tasty, long-lasting chew made with American rawhide, this is a great choice. What people say. They are the perfect size for my 60 pounds dogs. The thickness and durability of these chews are a godsend for persistent chewers. They're not just treats, they're engaging activities that keep your pooch occupied and away from your favorite shoes. Plus, they're 99% digestible. These Beefhide sticks double as dental tools, scraping off plaque and preventing tartar buildup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.